Hello and welcome. In this video, I update my XCP in cluster hosts with ZOS A. Before starting patching hosts OS, I recommend closing all VMS. After VMS is shut down, we can start patching our pool. Missing 28 patchings. Let's install all of those patches on the whole cluster. If some virtual machine got CD mount on it, the CD need to be eject. But how could I install the patch on one target host? Open the target host and here is also patches for this host. To finalize updating, the host view will show when the host have installed updates and required a reboot. Reboot all hosts at once or one by one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.